You don't actually need expensive routers or switches to learn networking. Home labs are great, but they can also get expensive fast. The good news is you can build a full networking lab using just a laptop or desktop. Tools like Containerlab let you build these environments on Linux on distributions like Debian or Red Hat. What it does is let you run virtual networking devices from different vendors like Cisco, Juniper, and others, all inside a completely isolated environment where you can safely build, test, and learn using real command line. Now I'm going to show a simple example of this in action. I've got two virtual Linux machines connected through a virtual Juniper switch. They're all on the same network so they can communicate with each other. I'm going to deploy the lab, and in just a moment, the environment comes online. Now the lab is up and running. We're now inside a fully working virtual network. Each Ubuntu node has an IP address and they're connected through the switch. Now let's test connectivity. From Ubuntu 1, I'll ping Ubuntu 2, and it responds. And from Ubuntu 2, I can also reach Ubuntu 1. Even if I disable and re-enable a network interface, the connection behaves just like real hardware would. This is the power of a virtual lab. You can build and test real networks safely on your computer. Virtual labs aren't limited to just one setup. You can use them to simulate real networking environments with different vendors and technologies. Things like switching, routing, firewall rules, and Linux systems can all be tested virtually. People use virtual labs for a few practical reasons. You can build networks that behave like real production environments. You can test configurations safely before touching real systems. You can also try new software or network designs without risking anything in production. And everything runs in a completely isolated environment. I'm JT. Thanks for watching. And next we'll build our first network from scratch and see it come to life.